Hi guys, welcome once again. Today we are going to be teaching you how to install wallpaper like a professional. So without much ado, let's get started. Don't forget we produce 3D wallpapers. I will advise to watch this video. Let's do this. As usual, wall preparation is key of getting great results. Apply the paste to the entire surface of the wall. It's advisable to use hand brush for area like this. Time to hang our wallpaper. Make sure to leave like 1 inch along each of your edges to be cut off later on. These are two smoothing tools. You can use any one you want. Time to remove air bubbles. Don't forget to leave 1 inch along each of your edges. Let's take that again. Let's take a closer look. Comprende? Time to hang the next part. Make sure the edges touch each other. If your wallpaper has this type of design, you want to make sure the first part and the second part rhyme perfectly, just like this. Removing air bubbles. There is a pipe there. This is how to handle it. This is how to handle obstacle like this. Very simple. Here is another obstacle, and this is how to go about it. Time to hang the last part. Remember to leave like 1 inch on the edge. Time to cut off the excess 1 inch. And we are done. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.